Hello and welcome back. Ever wonder about the secret sauce that makes a video go viral on YouTube Shorts? Today, we're diving into that very topic. First things first, content is king. The video must either entertain, inform, or engage. Crucially, the initial few seconds are vital in capturing the viewer's attention, so make them count. Moving on, consistency is vital. A higher frequency of posts increases the chances of catching the algorithm's eye. Aim for daily posts if possible. The third step is to incorporate trending music and sounds. This strategy not only keeps the content fresh, but also increases its discoverability. However, ensure the audio aligns with the theme of the video. The next step revolves around optimization. Use relevant keywords in the title and description to boost visibility in search results. This is a simple yet effective way to improve organic reach. The fifth step encourages engagement with the audience. Respond to comments and foster a sense of community around the channel. This not only helps retain viewers, but also attracts new ones. Lastly, leverage other social media platforms to share the videos. This strategy helps reach a broader audience and increases the chances of going viral. In conclusion, the journey to a viral video on YouTube Shorts is a process. It requires engaging content, consistency, the right use of trending sounds, savvy optimization, audience engagement, and effective cross-platform sharing. But remember, virality doesn't happen overnight. It demands time and persistent effort. So keep creating, keep engaging, and most importantly, don't get discouraged. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to show some love with a like, a share, and a subscribe, Jezwil.